Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, how to get approved for PayPal credit. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking to get approved for PayPal credit here, the process is incredibly quick. But there are a few fresh updates to how they handle approvals that you definitely want to know before hitting submit. Now, you apply it right inside the regular PayPal wallet or during checkout. Now, the form only asks for the basics like your date of birth, your net income, and the last four digits of your social security number. And Synchrony Bank, the issuer behind it, gives you a decision in seconds. Now, here is the big update on how they are running things. Now, it is now a dual evaluation system. Now, when you apply, they automatically screen you for both the physical PayPal Credit MasterCard and the classic PayPal Credit digital line. Now, if your credit file isn't quite robust enough for the physical card, the system immediately tries to approve you for the digital credit line instead. So both options still secure you that awesome 6 month zero interest financing window or any purchase over $149. Now, to give yourself the best odds here, you generally want a credit score in the fair to good range. So meaning around like the 600 and the and 50 or above. So, however, the real secret weapon here for an easy approval is your internal history with PayPal itself. So, Synchrony heavily reviews your internal account data alongside your credit bureau report. So you want to make sure your PayPal account is fully verified with a linked bank account and has a consistent history of smooth, problem-free transactions. Now, usually an active and trusted relationship with PayPal here can easily tip a borderline credit score over the finish line. So just keep in mind that an approve account will trigger a standard hard credit inquiry. So make sure your details are accurate before you actually apply. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.